Good evening, everyone. Tonight I will teach you how to connect PHP to MySQL. Now let's start. First, we will create PHP file called db.php. So we will locate our folder. We will save it here, and then we type some codes. Basic PHP syntax. A PHP script starts with the opening tag PHP and ends with this tag. So all of your codes goes here. So then we save this one, and you have to locate our directory. So let's see. So I am using one server. So name, okay, the www folder, then the tutorial folder. Now we will call this db, then save as type. So we have to look for PHP. Okay, so this is the default file extension PHP, and save. Okay. We create and declare PHP variables. So in PHP, a variable starts with the $sign. So followed by the name of the variable. So we create, on the top we create 3 variables called the server name equals to, so and colon. So we will name it local host. So my default host name, and another variable called username, and by default root is our local, MySQL username. Then second, third, okay, we name this one password. Then okay, my server has a blank password by default for this tutorial purposes only. After we create 3 variables, we will use single line comment for quick notes about a trick part in your code, so that the other programmer can understand. So it's a good practice. So create colon connection. Okay, enter. So this one is a single line comment, C++ style comment. So now we create another variable called con. So another function called MySQL underscore connect. This function has, for now, for this tutorial purposes, we only put 3 parameters called the host name, the username, and the password. So we will just copy the server name, username, and password in order. Server name specifies a host name, then the user name specifies the MySQL username, and password specifies the MySQL password. Now we will create another comment. Check connection. Now we will add if statement to check if the connection we created on this line is successful. So if open and close parentheses, then opening braces, then followed by the counterpart closing braces. Now the condition we will write, if not, then variable con, if not connected, then this will execute the second line, die, open close parentheses, and semicolon. Each statement ends with semicolon. So we will put some details and add another function. It's called MySQL underscore connect underscore error, and followed by open and close parentheses. This dot here is to concatenate, and we will specify in more detail. Say we will add string here called connection failed, colon and space. So this function here throws an error if the connection above has a problem. It will throw an error in more detail. Now, if the connection is successful, the second line here will be ignored and proceed to the next statement. So we will add echo. Echo basically outputs or displays the data to the screen. So we will if it's connected successfully, this will be executed. The echo statement or this statement here will be executed. If failed, the second line will be executed here, and this whole block will not be executed. So we will add string, output string connected successfully. Okay, and save. Now the tricky part here is to test run your code if it runs successfully. To test run successfully, you go to the browser. So we go to our local host / the directory tutorial and db.php. So we have to test run our code if it provides error. So if not, then our code is successful. Oops, okay, we received connected successfully. This means that our connection from our PHP to MySQL is successful, so that we can insert data, edit data, delete records, etc. So thank you guys for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment below and click the like button. Thank you so much and good evening.